What's up, guys? We're back for the driver's side today. So got the different adapters. So first off, we're going to get this C adapter out. If you can see it right there, that's what we got to get out of here. So that's that. Basically, this is the B adapter. This is what we need. This we're going to take out. Okay, so that's out. Pop the B in. Alright, that's on. So, B is on. We're going to take it off just as it is currently on this car. So, we'll push here, tabs, slide it off. Okay, so it's caught in position, caught on the hooks, and push there. It latches on top. Wipe it down, and you're all done. That's the install for your wiper. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.